What is new in SAP S/4HANA 2021 release for the finance people? So we have additional app, means one app manage product hierarchy. This can be used as an additional report element for marginal analysis. So this is something new in the marginal analysis. We need to explore this once we get the systems from SAP or from some other third party. So we need to explore this margin analysis and this particular lab manage product hierarchy and what is there inside. So other new changes SAP brought with release 2021 is machine learning capability for intercompany document matching. So we all know that intercompany documents matching is required for a transaction between one company code to another company code. As SAP also knows, and we also know that it is we can easily or partially achieve define means partially we can define some rules, and rest of the remaining rules we need manual efforts. To avoid that manual efforts, SAP brought this new concept, and where we can give some additional configuration or additional inputs so that SAP itself understand how to match intercompany transactions. So we need to explore this also, and SAP will start clearing the intercompany documents by giving the inputs which we have given. So here inputs like maybe I am assuming that if and but options will be used. Here we need to explore this also. So SAP has brought some additional concept in the machine learning for intercompany document matching. There is one more area which SAP has changed is brought GIS interface, that is geographical information system interface, where we can track by the geographical areas by giving us some color code which area is occupied with how much stock and everything, or any other areas. It can be used for the assets or any other areas. So the development is still going on, but we can explore this GIS thing also. And other area which SAP brought is in the plant maintenance, that is linked to a asset management. So for plant maintenance we have manage blocking overview app. So with this manage backing overview app, what will happen is it will help you to visualize maintenance operation in planning bucket and make it easy for tracking blockages. So maintenance orders, which whatever the maintenance orders are there and which are blocked, so we can track easily with this app. So we need to explore this app also, which will help in the asset management as well as the plant maintenance areas. So as per current blog which I found from the internet, I found this is something related to finance. If I found any new additional blogs or anything, we'll explore that also. Thank you.